हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे साइंस ओलंपियाड क्लास 4 का 2024-25 का क्वेश्चन पेपर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी यूनिट क्यूब्स आर देयर इन द गिवन फिगर? आंसर इज डी, 16. Question number 2, study the given patterns carefully. What will be the number of the water guns in pattern 6? Answer is B, 24. Question number 3, select the odd one out. Answer is C, the coin. The code of some letters are given below. लेटर है यहाँ पर और कोड दिया हुआ है, इसका आंसर है A. Select a figure from the option which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, इसका आंसर है B. Question number 6, unscramble the given letters and select the option that correctly identifies the method by which raw food item X and Y can be preserved. So ये है आंसर D, both A and B. A और B को स्क्रैम्बल करते हैं तो बनता है कैनिंग एंड फ्रीजिंग. ये दोनों ही तरीके फूड को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, रेफर टू द नेम्स ऑफ एनिमल्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स एंड सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन एंड करेक्टली कैटेगराइज दैम इनटू एग लेइंग एंड बर्थ गिविंग एनिमल्स. तो इसका आंसर है B, क्योंकि एग लेइंग एनिमल्स में आता है मोथ, डक, स्नैक और बटरफ्लाई और हाउस फ्लाई, जबकि रैट, कंगारू एंड राइनोसोर्स बर्थ गिविंग एनिमल्स हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, strike out every alternate number to get the name of any animal. So we are getting the name of animal tortoise here. So answer is B. Question number 9, which of the following statement about first aid is incorrect? इसका आंसर है D, क्योंकि in case you get hurt while playing in the park, pour hot boiling water on the wounded area. It will be very dangerous. So answer is D. Question number 10, select the option correctly, fills in the blanks. Men of Maharashtra occasionally wear turban, which is called petha, and women wear sari, which is called nawari. So the answer is A. Which of the following is not a characteristics of item shown in the given picture? यानी इसमें दिए हुए हैं रबर के स्लीपर्स. So answer is B. It is not magnetic. Question number 12, which of the following planet rotate in the opposite direction of Mercury? Answer is A, Jupiter. Question number 13, which of these Indian festival is not linked to the phase of moon? Answer is C, Baisakhi. Question number 14, which of the following plant parts belong to a plant that is adapted to grow on hills? तो आंसर है A. Question number 15, roots of mangrove trees grows out of the soil because answer is C, clay soil is sticky and does not have enough air for the root of plants to breathe. Question number 16, मैचिंग करना है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है B. Question number 17, name of how many forms of precipitations are hidden in the given word grid? और इस word grid में 3 precipitation दी हुई है, hail, snow and rain. So आंसर हुआ B. Question number 18, इसका आंसर है A. Question number 19, select the incorrect statement. इसका आंसर है none of these, D. Question number 20, what is common among the food items shown in the given box? So answer हुआ B, they all are obtained from animals. Strike out every alternate letter starting from the first one and select the option gives the name of the professional person that deals with gathering and writing news and stories for magazines and newspapers. So the answer is D, journalist. Question number 22, select the correct match of the symbol used on map with its name. So answer is A, canal, because canal has a wavy lines. Number 23, read the given statement and select the option which on unscrambling correctly identifies X. Answer is B, graphite. Question number 24, identify the organ system to which the organ X shown in the given picture belongs and select the correct statement regarding the organ system. So this X picture is of kidney, क्योंकि किडनी जो होती है वो काजू शेप की होती है and kidney is responsible for removing waste material from the body. So answer is B. Question number 25, to reduce force X on a carom board while playing, talcum powder is applied. So the force X is the force that prevent us from slipping while walking. So the answer is D. Question number 26, identify the change of state shown in the given diagram. So answer is B, mothballs. Question number 27. Which of the following shows an example of restoring force? So answer is C, because A is stretched rubber band, and when it releases, it snaps back to its original state. Question number 28. X is a material whose molecules are not very closely packed but has fixed volume. So the answer is A, kerosene and coconut. Question number 29. Ramya has one box of toys which is very heavy. She is trying to pull the box with the help of a rope as shown in the given picture. Which of the following statement is correct regarding it? So answer is A, yani if a cart with wheels is placed below the box, then amount of pulling force needed to move the box will reduce. Question number 30. Refer the given figure X and Y and select the incorrect statement regarding them. So the incorrect statement is C. In X, cool air from the sea rushes towards the land. Now let's come to the achiever section, which is the most typical section of the paper. Question number 31. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies plants P to S. तो आंसर है D. Question number 32. Study the given table and select the property of the material that is incorrectly mentioned. So the answer is B. Question number 33. Refer the given word grid and answer the following question. So the answer is C. Question number 34. Refer to the given food web and select the option that correctly answers the following questions. Question है, how many food chains are there in the given food web? So there are 5 food chains. And how many carnivores are there in the given food web? So there are 3 carnivores. So answer will be B. Question number 35. Read the given statement regarding different method U, V, W, X of purification of water and identify them. इसका आंसर होगा C, क्योंकि फिल्ट्रेशन में क्या होता है कि फिल्ट्रेशन जो है रिमूव्स पार्टिकल्स एंड क्लोरिनेशन जो है किल्स हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज. दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी और यूज़फुल लगी है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. हम आपके लिए और ज़्यादा अच्छी वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें ओलंपियाड के सभी सब्जेक्ट्स की सीरीज़ होगी और बहुत सारे क्लासेस की बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.